Hello everyone. In this lesson, you're going to regroup if needed. So I'm going to add today with you two-digit numbers. And this is fun because this is something that you're going to be using throughout your entire elementary plus secondary and the rest of your life. So let's see, we were to add 27 plus 25. So I need to remember that when I line them up, they need to be correctly aligned. I need to make sure that my ones are in the ones place. And I also need to make sure that my tens are in the tens place. Nothing should be looking like they don't belong in the right place. Now, tens and the ones, I'm also gonna write it on the side because I am going to use models for this lesson. So now, I'm going to draw 27. Two longs, and I'm gonna do 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm gonna do 25. 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to look at the ones place to see if I can make a 10. Since I am adding, I need to check if I can actually make it a 10. So just by looking at it, I can see that there's a lot of ones. I know that there's 5 here and 5 here, and if I know my facts, I know that that's 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. All I need to do is group them, and this group is gonna go to the tens place now. As you can see, I moved them. They're not in the ones place anymore. That is important for you to remember because that has to be shown here as well. We need to take this 10 and place it right here. Now there's a 10 right there. That is called regrouping. When they ask you, oh, do you need to regroup? Yes, I need to regroup because I made a group of 10 and then it moved to the tens place. Now, let's see. I have, in the ones place, I have 3. Oh, in the ones place, I have 2. And now I'm going to count the tens that are on this side. So I had 4 tens and one more, it would be 5 tens. So it will be 52. Now, that is how you solve it. I'm going to give you one so that you can try it on your own. So let's see, I want you to try this one. 37, 33. 37 plus 33. Notice I leave some space on the top so that in case I need to regroup, then I have the space. So go ahead and do it. Pause the video. Now I'm gonna do it with you. So I have to do 37, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Now I do 33. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So let's see if we need to regroup. Sometimes we don't. Sometimes we don't need to regroup because if there is not enough ones to make a 10, then we're not regrouping. We just don't regroup because we want to regroup. We regroup because it works. So we have 7 on top. And I know that 7 plus 3 is 10. So I take this 10 and I move it, this ones, and I move it all the way to the tens place. So now there's no ones. What do I do when there's no ones? Well, there's gonna be a 0, but before I do anything with the ones place, I need to show here that there was a regrouping. So I take my 10 and I move it to the tens place. Now I'm ready. Now I can write my answer. In the ones place, there's no ones. So when there's no ones, I write 0. Now I need to see how many tens do I have in total. So I know there's 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So that's 70. And that is how you regroup when you need to.